This is an ad for Hasbro. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Magical Movers from Disney Princess Little Kingdom for ages 4 and up. I like Disney Princess Little Kingdom because we get to see some of our favorite Disney princesses in miniature. And with Magical Movers, they move. Here is Rapunzel and Ariel. On the back of their box, there are some simple instructions. First, we charge, then we remove it from the base, then we twirl. Play on a smooth, flat, hard surface. Okay, I think we got it. Let's get these two out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, the princesses are a little over 3 inches tall and come with a base with a pull string. Ariel's base looks like a large shell with treasure chest and seaweed. She wears a green skirt with a light purple top, and she wears her hair up. Rapunzel's base looks like long locks of hair, brushes, and books. Aw, and there's a frying pan. She wears a purple and pink dress, and her hair is up in a braid. Now let's see how this works. Ariel is on the base, so we just have to pull the string. Remove her from the base and watch her twirl. Let's watch Rapunzel. Wow, it's a lot of fun to have more than one princess twirling at the same time. But you know what? We need more princesses. How about Jasmine and Cinderella? Here is Cinderella in the pony ride stable, where the doll powers the pony. On the back of the box, we see that the instructions are pretty much the same, only this time we have the option to put our princess on the pony. Out of the box, we get Cinderella in a blue and pink dress, a horse with pink hair and a saddle, a one-stall pink stable with a blue roof. It has a little trough right there where you can place the included carrot. There is a little orange mouse. And look at this, when I pull the string to charge the princess and place her in the grass, the mouse spins. And I like how the flower turns when you charge it. This playset also comes with a tiny horse brush that the princess can hold. I want to see the horse walk, so let's charge the princess, then place her on the horse. Princess Jasmine is going on a magic carpet ride in the Magic Carpet Ride playset. Out of the box, Jasmine is wearing a green skirt with a light blue top. There is a resting area with gold details, a gold vase with a small bird that spins when the princess is charged. And it's pretty cool how she recharges in her little resting area. There is a small plate on the side to hold some elephant-shaped crackers or cookies. She has a sleeping mask so she can be well rested for a magic carpet ride that she can take to the Dance and Twirl Ballroom, where Belle twirls the night away. Adult assembly is required. Okay, so this piece goes here, and this goes there, and these go up here. Then her little castle friends go right here. Oh, look at our castle! Belle is wearing a yellow dress with a high bun. There are 2 levels of play. Her charging station is over here by the wardrobe. Just gotta pull this right here, and it makes Cogsworth spin. Place Belle upstairs to make Lumiere and Mrs. Potts dance. Or place Belle on the dance floor and watch her twirl. And you can bring over some of her princess friends so they can have a ball. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Disney Princess Little Kingdom Magical Movers. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.